Air fry mozzarella sticks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook frozen mozzarella sticks in the air fryer. Hello, my name is Samantha, and along with my husband Dominic, who is behind the camera and also my best friend when it comes to the air fryer, we are going to show you today all about air fryer frozen food. We started using the air fryer way back in 2011, and in our first ever experience of using the air fryer, we actually cooked frozen chicken strips. Since then, our air fryer knowledge has moved on, but back in 2018, we were asked by one of our readers to try air fryer frozen French fries. We did this, and then we started a brand new trend and showing people that you can cook delicious frozen food in the air fryer. But quite often, frozen food has this kind of taboo attitude towards it. But even though frozen processed foods isn't great for you, it can still save you a lot more calories compared to serving food in the deep fat fryer. So I'm looking forward to sharing with you our frozen food recipes. So let's do mozzarella sticks, shall we? Or do you call them cheese sticks? Because I know in many parts of the world they're also known as cheese sticks. Either way, I would say they were on my top 3 of my favourite air fryer frozen food if you've been naughty and fancying one of those gooey little treats that you all love. The downside of these though is I was buying them from Iceland and they only come in packs of 12 and you really don't get many for your money. So what I did is I bought 2 packs and I'm going to show you cooking 2 packs in the air fryer instead of just the one. So let's get them opened up and let's see how good they are. So then, these look delicious. And I recommend just placing them in the basket, making sure they're not touching when you air fry them, because otherwise if they get stuck together, they don't air fry very well and they become pretty disgusting. So that's actually how many you get from just 1 pack of them. So you can imagine that you probably want more than 1 pack, depending how many people you're feeding and what your use is for them. So let's get the other pack in, shall we? And just see how many there are. So there you have it. There's 24 mozzarella sticks. I noticed they're actually quite small, but this can actually depend on where you're buying them from, because obviously I'm buying the British version. The American version might be much bigger and better. Who knows? So I've never had the chance to try, so I really don't know. Note that you want to make sure there's not too much bread in that's fallen off, because otherwise that will get stuck in the bottom of your air fryer basket. So let's get them on. So I recommend you start off with a cook time of 6 minutes at 180 Celsius. Do note, mine are quite small. Your mozzarella sticks that you want to cook in the air fryer might be bigger, so they might need a longer cook time. So we're going to start with 6 minutes, see how they do, and then we can add a longer cook time if necessary. And we're just waiting for the beep of the air fryer to tell us the mozzarella sticks are done, or are they done? Do they need a little bit longer? Let's see. So there we are, mozzarella sticks, they're done. You can tell by how much of the cheese is starting to come out of them. And they're absolutely piping hot. Maybe I should learn how to use kitchen tools. So, can you believe that? Just 6 minutes, and a reminder that 6 minutes at 190 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. So there they are. Let's load them all onto the plate, and then they're ready for serving. As you can see, you've got quite a few mozzarella sticks there, and that's plenty for a portion for, let's say, if you're having a girls' night in or a romantic night while you're watching a movie. They're ideal. Just choose your favourite dipping sauce and you're all set. Also, one of the things about mozzarella sticks that is the biggest attraction for many is the melted cheese in the middle. Let's say you leave yours out for too long, you can load them back into the air fryer, 2 minutes at 160 or 360 F, and the cheese will melt again and they'll be lovely and warm. In this video today, we have been using our Philips Air Fryer XL. Please comment below with which air fryer you use, as it would be nice to compare notes, and ask in the comments any questions you may have about this recipe that I'm sharing with you today. Because you are here, the chances are you want to learn even more about the air fryer and become more familiar with its capabilities. We recommend that you head over to recipethis.com and search mini course, and you will find a fantastic 5-day free mini course teaching you everything you need to know to get started with the air fryer. I'll also add it in the links in the description to make it even easier for you. And it's been a pleasure to share with you one of our favourite air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching. We have a huge collection of kitchen gadget recipes, including air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker and many others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Best of all, join our newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter. There we have plenty of printables, cooking time cheat sheets, free ebooks and mini courses to help you along your way in your kitchen gadgets journey.